So we just bought a new house to flip, and I want to share with you the numbers. We're going to go over the ARV, the after repair value, the MAO, the maximum allowable offer, the repairs, the profit, the expenses that we have to deal with. And then we're going to take you to the property. You're going to walk through it with me so you can see what these nasty, ugly houses look like. And they smell like money, right? So that when you go out, look at your next investment property, you know what you're looking for, how much to offer. All right, let's do it. Greetings, class. This is Chris Haskins with therealestateroundup.com. My mission and ministry is to raise your financial literacy through real estate investing and entrepreneurship. And doing that, I get to just document my life. It's an honor to share with you how we do business every day, being full-time real estate guys, right? Now, the flipping stuff, I know it looks sexy and it's all on TV and HG, and I come home, my wife is looking at it, and I call my mother and she's watching it and everybody's watching it when I go look at a property to buy. But I want to tell you, the real engine to my business, y'all, is going to be my long-term holds. But they aren't sexy. All they do is generate cash every month, right? So you don't get it. I'm sad I don't get to share a lot of that stuff with you because there's really nothing to see but collecting a check and going to the bank. But hopefully in the future, I have some more stuff for you to see on my long-term holds, right? So today, let's go over some numbers. It's going to be a journey like I love to do, right? Let's go over the numbers. You're going to see how we estimated the repairs, how we made this offer, and then let's walk through the house together. Okay, so purchase price on this one was $90,000, right? Not too much, an average house in my area. ARV is going to be $199. Now, you know me, Roundup, you know, guys, my real estate Roundup family. I'm very conservative. My business partner, Ron, he thinks we're going to get over 200. If you look back, if you go back through my content, you'll see a house that we just sold for $30,000 more than what I thought it was going to be. So yes, we could possibly get more, but I'm so conservative because I like to give away a ton of value. In my disc analysis, you'll see I am a 99I for influential, right? And inspirational. I like to just give. But sometimes, as my wife says, Chris, you're just too cheap. You don't charge enough. So I let other people, I bring in a C to my business to help me to charge the right numbers, right? Because I give too much away. All right, so reno is going to be 50, soft cost 17,000. Let's get into this stuff. Let's get back to the reno, right? The renovation. I need you to grasp this because I don't want you taking a lot of time. How many times around the country people call me, Chris, we're trying to estimate the repairs. It's taking them so long. I'm like, you need to estimate these repairs quickly so you need to be making 5-6 offers a day, right? Forget making one offer. I mean, I'm done with it. It's either 30, 40, 50, 60. So that's how we estimate to get 50,000. This is a very quick analysis of the reno, right? So 50,000, kitchen, 8,000, bathroom, 4,000 each. That's going to be 8,000. We're already at 16. Siding on this one's 5,000. Windows is $300 each. 4,000 HVAC. We don't have to do any duct work, maybe minimum. It's going to be 3,000 on this. Electrical 3,000. Plumbing 3,000. Flooring 5,000. A little bit of termite repair under the property. Wood rot. Paint 3,000. And then miscellaneous around 5,000. That's going to be whatever pops up, right? Utilities, lawn maintenance, lawn care, what have you, cleaning. It's going to be appliances. That's another 2,000. And just things that pop up, right? Things that pop up, gas, water, electric, stuff like that. So this is where we get 50,000. And I need you to do this quickly, right? Soft costs, I'm going to share with you. Pay very close attention. I'm going to share with you how you can save 3% on every one of your listings, right? So generally speaking, we have first thing out the top, soft costs, right? 6% realtor fees. 6% realtor fees on 200,000, it's going to be 12,000, right? But we can slash that in half, round up. Why? Realtor fees. Oh yeah, I forgot. It's not realtor. Oh Lord. It's not realtor, round up. Realtor. I'm going to slip my wrist next time I hear somebody say realtor. Good God, help me. Realtor. Slash that in half. Why, Chris? Because we use something called a flat fee listing broker. Flat fee listing broker, right? The broker can charge whatever they want. They can do it for nothing or they can do it for 3%. So find you a broker out there, Roundup, that will charge you a flat fee. You'll pay anywhere from $500 to $1,000 up front. They're going to do nothing but put the house in the MLS. You can do all the other work or have somebody from your team do the rest, right? That'll save you on this deal. It's going to save me 3%, right? Which is going to save me $6,000. Okay. So we have a flat fee broker, may or may not work with an agent or a realtor. But if you get a broker, they can write their own ticket, right? So that's going to save on the seller. I'm sorry, I calculate this for the seller side. When I sell, I do have to pay the buyer to bring the buyer's agent to bring a buyer. But when I list it on the seller side, I want a flat fee broker. I just saved you that. That's worth the price of admission for today. So soft costs, $6,000, 3% buyer's closing costs. Well, a lot of people say, I don't want to pay it. Generally speaking, you do, and we are in a super hot market right now. So even if I didn't want to pay this closing cost, I've raised the price a little bit to kind of pad some of that closing cost for the buyer. But going in, always round up. If it's in your market, what we do, just go ahead and presume that you're going to have to pay it. You may or may not. But I always tell people, expect the worst. Don't go into a renovation expecting I'm not going to have to pay buyer's closing costs, right? Don't do that. Expect you're going to have all the expenses. So when you don't have them, it's that much more profit. Because I promise you, these markets can shift from a seller's market real quick, very quickly. Okay. So 3% buyer's closing costs at 612. Interest on the money. I used a lot of my cash on this one. So let's say we might have $5,000. It might not even be that. It might be $4,000 on interest. So that's going to roughly add up $17,000. So profits. We got to put our profit in there. How much profit are we going to make? $199,000 is our ARV, minus purchase price, 90, minus reno, 50, minus 17 soft costs. Our profit, 42,000. 42,000. Okay, so that's how we break this thing down quickly. Now there are maybe a few, I'm sure there are a ton of other ways to evaluate a house. But the hard money lenders and the lenders out there are going to do a percentage of your ARV, right? So you can back that out. If you just do a 0.7 or 70% times your ARV, that's going to give you your purchase price minus repairs. You can do it that way too. But I like to get at least 30 to 40,000 on each house. That's where I'm at. It's not worth my time, right? As we get larger and larger projects and new construction. So let's go over to this property. Going to walk you through it, go over a little bit of the numbers, and it's a nasty one, y'all. It's a nasty one. As a matter of fact, when we bought it, the seller was still in the house. So one of the keys when that happens is to hold back a little bit of their proceeds at closing, right? Because you don't want to give them all the money. They have no incentive to get out. Now, mind you, you will see me with a polo when we go to this house. I want to make sure I'm clear with you. You will see me with a bright polo shirt, but I want Ralph. I love Ralph Lauren, nothing against you. But Polo, Ralph, you're done. No more Ralph for me. When these polo shirts run out, no more, y'all. You know, I just want to give you a little personal note there. I'm done with Ralph, and I'm not probably giving this man, I don't know, tens of thousands of dollars. Round up. Make sure you take a second to subscribe to the channel if I'm bringing you any value. Thank you. Share this content with any other real estate investor that needs to know how to build wealth. I know wholesaling is cool. What are you going to do when you get that money? You can start sinking it into flips and long-term holds, right? Like this content, smash that like button so we can get our optimization up and serve our investing community. Hey, let's go take a look at this house together. So we're here at the property, and the first thing that I want you to look at when you pull up, home investors taught me you got to look at the entire neighborhood. So Taylor, thank you for my daughter working with us. Look at the houses next to your subject property. Go ahead and give them a pan, Taylor. And yes, these people, you see how they leave everything for your boy to clean up. They leave all type of stuff, and you're in for a surprise, all the stuff that they leave me to clean up. House next door looks okay. This is our subject property. Give them a nice pan. Make sure you hold it still if you can. Next door looks good. Keep going down. Next door to that looks good. Street looks semi-clean. Let's look over here. We got my boy over here with the old truck. I don't know what he's got going on, but he's got wood there. Cutting wood, I'm not mad at it. This house looks okay. Nah, that one over there could use a roof, but the windows are in good shape, right? So you got to look at your surroundings, the properties on each side. Do I want to invest in a property that has pit bulls next door. I remember one time I walked away from a house that was raising pit bulls, and I'm a pit bull lover, right? But they had pens in the back. It was nasty. So, see the exterior here. The good thing about it is it already had a roof. Can you see it? Can you see it? That new lens might carry it all. So off the front here, we got new windows, new siding, clean all this stuff up. And I'm going to show you, OMG Jesus. We'll come in from the back. You're going to see some before and after of this work here, because Smitty had really put this stuff together. So if you see, there's a nice deck here as we come out. The kitchen's right there. So you're going to see how this looks. It was like a jungle back here. Go ahead and give them a pan, Taylor, so they can see around here. So this is the deck. So your kitchen is coming out there. Very nice.
Take chance of bridging it, so you buy them. I got a half dozen of them.
Yeah, not for this.
Yeah.
And you see Smitty has probably cut down, I don't know. How many truckloads of stuff you had, Smitty? How many truckloads so far you got rid of?
I took 3 yesterday.
4 truckloads of crap. You see people, all they do round up, they just leave stuff for us to clean up. Taylor, take a look in here. Full of junk, right? They leave town, so they sold us this house and they left town, they're gone. They leave it for the cleanup man to come clean it up. That's what we do, right? We clean up stuff. We got a good pan of that mess. Cannot wait to show y'all this deck. I mean, what did you think about that before on those trees, right? So this deck here is shot. You get a picture of this deck, Taylor. This stuff will have to go. Everything is pretty much done. You want to say hello? Smitty, you want to wave to the people?
What's that?
You want to wave to the people? I'll go, Smitty. Thank you, Smitty. Come on in. We got a light here. There we go, got a light. Yeah, we pay for the electricity, so Taylor, if you can get a shot here, the whole floor is buckling, right? So give him a nice pan here from the back, if you don't mind. Get a nice pan as far as you can away. So this whole kitchen roundup will have to come out. It's gone. This kitchen's done. I'm not sure what we're going to do yet, but we're probably going to wrap it around there. We're going to switch the kitchen from here to over there, maybe. Let them see over there, Taylor. But this whole thing is done. Come over here and get a nice pan too from this angle here. I'll stand over there. So you can see how you walk in, just a bunch of unused space here, just a walkway. So we don't know yet. I really can't get a good feel for this thing until we rip it all out. So as you can see, it doesn't flow. Look at these cabinets. We got cabinets on the wall over here. I just don't think that this is needed here, but we shall see. They left their Bible. Oh man, did they get a white Jesus Bible? There, they left that white Jesus. Yeah, at least. Good one. So I thought this was neat too. They got a utility room right here. Look. Oh man, they left us a washer and dryer. Wasn't that nice? Wasn't that nice? Wasn't that nice of them? Hand washer, that stinks. You gotta keep that open. But they did leave us a washer and dryer. So all these cabinets will come out, just old stuff. So the kitchen there, this is like a dining area here, dining room. So this is the master bedroom. Well, I take that back. We don't use master anymore, right? Primary bedroom. The primary bedroom, y'all. Then we got smell-o-vision in here, Taylor. So you can see. Could you imagine taking a shower in here? How would you like that? Oh. Good and black. You got that real good? What do you think about that, buddy? I forgot to tell you too. Probably. I'm investing in your future. What do you think about that? Terrible old poor sax. How you like that smell, Taylor? I forgot to ask you.
It smells really bad in here.
Old saxophone. So round up, go over there and get a shot of this this sink here. Get a nice pan. Round up, that's what you got to deal with. So this whole kitchen, you ever seen a bathroom with hardwood floors?
Oh, that's not a good idea.
Yeah, it gets wet, it gets destroyed. Can't get hardwood floors. So we got a little closet here, another closet down there. But so we have oil heat in here too. Not sure if we're going to keep that. So what I do like about this one, Roundup, is this little den off of the living room. You can stay out there, give them a nice pan, Taylor, from there. So I love these woods here, these wood walls. I would like to keep them. I'm going to ask the broker or realtor what we should do with that, because I don't know what people like. But I like them. That's an old record player, Taylor. No, it ain't. Thought it was. Let's see. Yeah, it is. Look. It's a record player. Thing probably ain't worth 5 cents. So this is the den. I think it came down. How you like this green mustard carpet here? He told me he was going to take his clock, but he left it. Got a piano we're giving away. Pianos, I had one growing up, but they're not worth anything now. They're just too hard to move. They weigh too much. This is our master bathroom. I pray to God this is the one that they were using. So we have to do new floor, new vanity, all this stuff's coming out. New tub.
A lot better than the other one.
That is true. That is true. I pray that they were not using that other one, right? It's terrible that people have to live like that. You know, man, I think take care of your house, y'all. Take care of your house. If you have a house, I'm telling you, the universe and God gives you things, right? You have to be a good steward of what the universe gives you, or it will take it away, just like this house. We had to buy it from them. So these are just two basic bedrooms. Hardwood floors looks phenomenal. Hopefully they're hardwood floors. Let them see the hardwood floors there, Taylor. Hopefully the hardwood floors are good under this carpet here. I'm hoping we can pull this all up throughout the living room and have a beautiful, real hardwood floors in this house. So this door was closed the first time I came. This window has been broken, no doubt, for years. I mean, it's just that all the elements just been coming in the whole time, right? Nasty stuff, and they were living in here like that. Roundup, I don't wish that for you. Oh, you can feel the floors waving here.
Oh, it is. I feel it.
So I have to rip that out, maybe, I don't know. So welcome to my life, Roundup. This is gonna be, I don't know, $45,000 reno. And it's just a part of doing business, y'all. Part of doing business. All right.
It's a good idea to have carpet in the dining room either.
Nah, you need to have a hard floor there. Anywhere you have high traffic, that's a good point. So you're learning as a 12-year-old. Anywhere there's high traffic, gotta have a solid floor. If not, it's gonna get shredded on and tore up. Listen, make sure you subscribe, Roundup, like the content, share with any other investors that are looking to get into real estate so they know how to estimate these repairs. This is gonna be a $45,000 reno easy, right? All right, I'll see you guys soon.